Hey YouTube, so today I'm going to show you how to use the SkipSoft Android Toolkit, and the link will be in the description below. The only difference between the Pro and the regular version is that the Pro has automatic updates that will be downloaded onto your computer, which are very important when it comes to rooting and all that good stuff. I actually don't have the Pro version yet. I have the regular version, which I'm going to show you. And so let's go ahead and start downloading that. And you want to make sure when you're downloading that your drive is, like, of course it's going to be whatever drive you're downloading it to, but make sure you don't download it to under program files or program files x86 or anything like that. It has to be just your drive and then the Unified Android Toolkit. That'll create its own folder. Once it's done, just click execute the program now, and you come up to this. And the point behind this is really you can do almost anything you want. Easy way to root your device if it's on the list here, or you can go, if you type in 99, you can go straight to the basic Android Toolkit main menu, which does, if your device is not listed there, there are some features you can use with this toolkit for just a regular Android that's not supported. Today I'm going to actually use a Samsung Galaxy Note 2. So let's type in 26. And it's going to download everything it needs to. Just let it do what it's doing. And this is, of course, what I was saying before, what it explains about the Pro version versus the regular version. We're just going to stick with the regular version for now and press any key. And you come up to this menu. You're going to pick your carrier. I have at&t, so I'm going to pick 05. And this is where you pick the type of Android version you have on your phone. I'm running 4.3 stock, so just type in 5.3. And then it's going to start downloading some more stuff. Really, just this whole thing is just following a bunch of instructions that really come up on the screen. It's not like I memorized any of these. At this point, you can do SkipSoft.net. That one works good. I don't know about the other ones. I'm just going to do more downloading. Okay, and then once everything is done downloading, now is where you get all your options for your device. So in this video I'm going to show you how to root using this toolkit. So we're going to hit number 3, and it's going to give you some rooting options. Mine displays 10 for the Galaxy Note 2 at&t. If you're trying to root, I would suggest going to 5, because that just basically does everything in once. And if you want to undo it, just come back into the toolkit and press 8. And go ahead and press the ones that are always recommended in here first, and if those don't work, then go to the other one. And it'll ask you questions based on your device. You're going to have to answer them. I'm not sure about yours, but and just make sure that this is basically saying you need to enable USB debugging, which you need to go to Settings, Developer Options, and checkmark USB debugging. If you don't see Settings and then Developer Options, you actually have to click on About Phone, go down to baseband version, and click that box about 7 or 8 times, and that'll actually enable Developer Options. And if your device gives you asks you a question if you trust this computer, just go ahead and click Allow Always and press OK. And it will open Odin on its own. It's another software. At this point, to root your device, you're going to want to go to PDA, and you're going to want to go to your drive letter, and then go to the Unified Android Toolkit folder. From there, scroll down to recovery, and whatever your device is, click on that device, and you want to go to the one that actually whatever the toolkit says. In my case, the toolkit is saying to click on recovery TWRP 2.70 something something .tar. So we'll click on that, open, make sure that F reset time and auto reboot are checkmarked, and you're in the PDA folder. Make sure you're not in anything else, otherwise it will mess up. And click start. This should only honestly take a couple seconds. Once it says reset, you can close Odin. In order to continue in the toolkit will automatically continue on its own. And while the device is restarting, and this process actually should not delete everything, but I would suggest backing everything up. I did just in case. And you have to put in a passcode. And then once your device is detected, this will move on its own. I just remember, it honestly doesn't matter what I'm saying. Mostly follow what the toolkit is telling you. You know, right here it's saying that it's going to reboot. Don't touch your device right now. That's fine. Just let it do what it's doing. Again, this process should not do anything to your data, to your phone, if it's done right. And here, mostly, probably, it'll say that recovery mode is not detected. Just go ahead and let it download the appropriate drivers. It will be different. And then once that's downloaded, you should see a screen on your phone like this. If you did choose to download this recovery, and don't click anything on the device. Just go ahead and click here if it says recovery mode not detected. Once the driver is installed, just press the enter key and it will be detected. And once it's detected, it'll start doing more of its own stuff. Your phone will reboot. I'm going to show you what the device is doing. And that's all on its own. Again, don't touch your device, just let it do what it's doing. And I'm sorry, it's kind of hard with the camera struck to you. Once you're booted to the Android, and then just let it do what it's doing. Most of this process is really just waiting. And once you're done, it will say congratulations, you're done, you've hacked it. It'll say some other stuff, just leave it alone and it'll go back to the menu on its own. From here, an easy way to check if this worked or not is to go onto the App Store and download Root Checker. instead of doing that, since if your phone is still plugged into the computer, you can press choice number 3 again and go to the root and unroot options, and there, number 9 in my case, just do the one that says install root checker app free on your device. Click 9. Are you ready to start? Yes. And this will actually just download an app. Again, the same app is available in the App Store. And then once that is downloaded and installed onto your device, you can go to it, and the app will actually tell you if your phone is rooted or not. And just bear in mind that this will have a warranty void. If you do go into download mode, it will show that your warranty is void at times. If it does do that, there is a way of getting that off, which I will make a video soon of how to do that, just in case you need to send your phone back to Samsung or anything like that. And once it's done, it'll tell you to go to the app drawer and everything. So go ahead, I'm going to click on my apps, and I'm going to scroll over to root checker. Right there, root checker. And click check now. And this isn't going to root your phone, it'll just check. When it comes to this, you must hit grant. And that actually enables Superuser permissions, which allows you to basically get into everything in your device. Click check now again. And if nothing pops up, you should be actually good to go. Consider this: if the Superuser does not come up, then your phone is not rooted. If you can see, it says status rooted, so you're good. And that's basically it, how to root your device. I can make another tutorial of how to unroot it. Basically, it's the exact same process. Just go back to your main menu, go to your rooting options, and when it says number 8 in this list is unroot, uninstall BUSYBOX CWN Manager via custom recovery, that'll unroot your phone and everything. And then from there, you'll actually have to it'll be unrooted, and you'll be good to go. If you want to put stock back onto it, official Samsung everything, go through keys if you need to. But that's basically it. If you have any questions, just let me know. Comment at the bottom, like if you liked it. If you have any suggestions, let me know. Thanks.